why everyone should eat berries. Berries are delicious, nutritious, and provide many health benefits. Berries are among the healthiest foods you can eat. Include them in your diet on a regular basis to improve your overall health. Berries are high in fiber. Berries are a good source of fiber, including soluble fiber. Soluble fiber slows down the movement of food through your digestive tract, leading to reduced hunger and increased feelings of fullness. The antioxidants contained in berries help fight inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of mounting a defense against infection or injury. Chronic inflammation is believed to contribute to the development of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Antioxidants in berries help lower inflammation. Berries are good for your skin. The antioxidants in berries help control free radicals, one of the leading causes of skin damage that contributes to aging and wrinkles. Berries are loaded with antioxidants. Berries are a great source of antioxidants. In addition to protecting your cells, these plant compounds may reduce the risk of disease. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries have the highest antioxidant content. Berries can improve blood sugar and insulin response when consumed with high-carb foods, or if berries are included in smoothies. Berries have many nutrients. Berries are low in calories and high in antioxidants. They also contain several vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, copper, and folate. Berries can help lower cholesterol. Berries have been shown to lower cholesterol levels in studies of adults. Berry antioxidants may help protect against cancer. Animal and human studies suggest that berries may help protect against cancer of the esophagus, breast, colon, and mouth, due to the antioxidants contained in berries. Berries may help keep your arteries healthy. In several studies, berries have been found to improve arterial function. Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only and do not constitute any legal, medical, or other professional advice on any subject matter.